So now it's time for the great finale.
Yes. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna back up for this one.
Back up to this one.
Now it's time. Whoa! I'm glad I backed up.
Oh!
Ah!
Me on the edge.
Stepped on the balls. It's not done. God. The smoke. Oh my gosh. It's not done. Did you say 100 shots? It's still going. It's not going. It's still going. Whoa. I guess someone else has a cake firecracker because I hear another one. Is it done?
I'd leave that
I'll leave it for a bit, yeah. I'll leave that for a bit. 5 minutes. That was explosive.
Wow. That was something. And we have another cake firework as well.
That's only got 20 shots in that one, isn't it? The next one.
The next one's got 20, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
They're
20.
fan ones, they're probably bigger.
Oh, yeah.
They're going in the bloody air.
Yeah.
They don't climb high enough, do
Yeah,
they? No.
Dad on the camera. All I can see is that.
What?
I can see the lighter that he has. Oh. Oh man. Mum, I would advise you to back up. And this is definitely. And this is the great finale. Because this is the last fight we have, and it's a cake. We only had like. The previous cake was good. This one's probably gonna be even better.
I'm scared now.
There's a plane there.
Yeah, I'm a little scared.
Well, that was us, wasn't it?
What, are you waiting for it to go past?
A year ago today, that was us.
I see a plane. Run. This one's probably gonna be a loud one. Whoa! Whoa!
Yay!
And that was our fireworks show.
Was that it?
Yeah.
Yeah. My goodness,
It was really loud though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So I'll leave that for.
Yeah.
Wow.
Still flamed. Give it 5 minutes.
Yeah, give it 5 minutes.
You had your fingers in your ears, sorry.
Oh. Yoki probably had a heart. Yoki would have a heart attack if he went out here.
That one was a bit close.
It's out.
That's because when we was at Hinniker, we were spoiled. It was about 3 gardens away.
Yeah. That was intense.
Ugh.
Just check it before.